play.
I'm just really very, very blessed because I have been given the chance to be working with the very best people in the industry. From George Canseco, to Willie Cruz, to Ray Valera, to Mr. C, Ryan Cayabyab, to this next person who was already my friend when I was 12 years old. Wala pa kami sa showbiz pareho noon. He was teaching in the music school I learned the Yamaha organ from. Wala ko naalala. And his music would make our hearts melt. So let me try to do a few lines. Siyempre, paano mo malilimot ito, di ba? For now, let me do for you the songs of my beloved Louie. There are nights when I can't help but cry, and I wonder why you had to leave me. Why did it have to end so soon? When you said that you would never leave me. That's just one of the many beautiful, heartfelt songs from Louie. And what's good about Louie's music? It's that it has transcended generations. Kasi ngayon, hindi lang ako ang binibigyan niya ng magagandang areglo at kanta, kundi pati ang anak ko. And what better way to pay tribute to his music than to sing it with someone who deserves to be the box office queen of this generation. Malapit sa puso ko yan. Mga kaibigan, the one and only Sarah Geronimo! Next to Casey, ikaw ang pinakamamahal ko, alam mo ba? Sa hawa, ikot ng ating buhay, may oras kailangan ng maghiwalay. Puso'y
ng